Today, we're going to be breaking down a topic that has been getting a lot of attention in the Discord private trading chat room, and that has been personally freaking me out. Coming from equities where the playing field is competitive and everything is more or less figured out, crypto and mainly the crypto exchanges have a few inefficiencies and problems that can cause a lot of headaches. One of those issues for me specifically are the massive exchange fees. Yesterday, I had $119.72 in fees from only 4 trades from Coinbase alone. Pure madness. How does that even make sense? Mind you, I do trade with an average position size of about $15,000, but still, the fees are just not acceptable. In this video, I'll dive into a few exchanges, mainly my favorite, throw up some comparison charts, and talk about why Robinhood, a popular free exchange, might also not be the answer. If that sounds interesting, make sure to give a like and stay tuned till the end. Okay, so let's not waste any time. Binance, an exchange I'm sure you guys are familiar with already if you have any experience with cryptocurrencies. It's one of the cheapest and it's one of the exchanges that offers the most variety of different cryptocurrencies. Here's a list of some other exchanges that I like to use. The exchange that I use the most is definitely Coinbase. I do a lot of my day trading there. I do a lot of my swing trading on Binance, and Bitfinex I don't use anymore simply because of the US restrictions. Kraken and KuCoin I also use sometimes. KuCoin I have found is very similar to Binance from the platform interface to also their fee structure. If you're confused about maker and taker fees, here's a video on it. A simple way to remember the difference between maker and taker is that are you taking from the order book or are you adding to the order book? Are you making an order? And if you're making an order and adding to the order book, you are paying less fees. If you are taking from the order book, and that is usually done via a market order, you are going to be paying more fees. So these fees you are seeing are the highest amount of fees when you start off with any one of these exchanges. What does that mean? Well, come over to any of these exchanges and you can find the fee structures here. Let's just use Coinbase for an example. When you come over to Coinbase, you can see that there are different pricing tiers. And basically, when you start a new account, you have 0 trading volume. So you get started at the first tier structure. And then as your trading volume increases, you will be paying less per trade. A really easy way to think of trading volume is simply think if I'm buying $10,000 worth of, let's say, Litecoin, then my trading volume is $10,000 for that one trade. Now, trading volume is calculated in a 30-day period. So if you execute 5 of those $10,000 trades in 30 days, you're going to have a trading volume of $50,000. To illustrate this a little bit better, let me go ahead and show you exactly what my Coinbase trading volume is and what my Coinbase fees are. So when you log into Coinbase Pro, which is their exchange platform, and you come over to my orders and then you click on fees, you can see your volume for the past 30 days. You will also be able to see the fees occurred for the last 30 days right underneath that. And you can see my volume is $974,000 and my fees are roughly the same ratio-wise at $974. You can see that there is a big correlation there. And why is there a correlation? Well, if we come over here to the fee structure, you will see exactly why that is. Since I am just shy of $1 million in trading volume for 30 days, if you come over to the pricing tier structure, you will see that I am in the second tier of $100,000 to $1 million. That means if I enter a trade as a maker, I am paying 0.1% per trade. And that is per entry and per exit. So for a full roundhouse trade, I am paying 0.2%, right? I buy and I sell. That is 0.1% each. Now, as I keep trading and probably within the next 1 or 2 trades, I will hit the third tier structure, which I'm actually pretty excited for. That will mean I'm trading between $1 million and $10 million in trading volume on Coinbase, and I will be put to the new pricing tier structure of 0.08%. That might sound really good, but that's only a 20% difference. So if I'm paying roughly $1,000 per month in trading fees, that means I now will only be paying $800 in trading fees. And to me, that is still way too much, because it's not like I'm trading, 10, 20, 30 trades a day. I'm making about 1 to 2 trades per day. Let me actually show you guys how my trade journal looks and show you some of my fees for the last trades. So these are some of the trades that I recently made, and you can see that yesterday, the 4th, was a fairly busy day. I made 4 trades, but I want you guys to focus your attention on these fees. When I have a full entry of usually over $15,000, I'm paying over $30 per trade. That means if I just get out of that trade at the same price I bought in, I'm down probably around $32, which sucks. Just a quick comparison, when I buy and sell stocks on, let's say, TD Ameritrade, I pay $3.75 for a buy and $3.75 for a sell. That means per a roundhouse trade, I am paying $7.50 for any one of my trades. And to put that in comparison again, that means yesterday with a traditional brokerage account, I would have paid $30 for 4 trades instead of the absurd $119.72. Now you're probably starting to realize why I think a lot of these crypto exchanges are extremely savage in their fee structure. There's one thing I wanted to bring up. There's actually 3 ways to buy cryptocurrencies on Coinbase alone. There's Coinbase.com, there's Pro.Coinbase, and there's another one called Prime.Coinbase, which is geared towards institutions. Right now, I'm in contact with Prime.Coinbase, and I'm going to see if there are cheaper fee structures that don't necessarily have to do with the tier system. If something good comes out of that, I'll definitely be making a follow-up video. Now there's one last point I wanted to talk about, and that is the exchange Robinhood, that is notorious for free trading, originally with equities, and now I think as of this year, 2019, or late last year, 2018, with crypto as well. If you go over to their website, you will see the available cryptocurrencies, and you will also see the available states that they are in. One problem right off the bat is that Robinhood is only available for US citizens, and on top of that, it's only available to citizens in 39 states. There are also further individual requirements that you need to fulfill to be able to trade crypto on their exchange. The last issue I have with Robinhood, which I feel is much bigger of an issue than any of the restrictions, is the fact that you can't deposit and withdraw your cryptocurrency, which to me takes the whole entire point out of cryptocurrency. If you know how I got started in cryptocurrency, it was a little over 2 years ago when our company Enslow started paying out many of our clients in cryptocurrency. We actually pay out over 70% of our clients now with cryptocurrency because it's faster, cheaper, and easier to do than traditional methods like Wire, PayPal, Western Union, you name it. So the fact that you can't deposit or withdraw your cryptocurrency basically means you don't own it. You also don't own it because you don't own the private keys to your cryptocurrency. So to me, Robinhood is a bit more of a purely speculation platform. And on top of that, their interface is very, very simple. There is no level 2. You don't see the past orders going through. So for day trading, it is definitely not a platform that I would recommend. That being said, if you're just looking to buy a little bit of Bitcoin or Litecoin or some other altcoin, and you have zero interest of actually owning the cryptocurrency yourself, then maybe Robinhood might be the answer for you. I probably won't be using it myself. If there's anything you can take away from this video, is the fact that all crypto exchanges right now are fairly expensive. There are a lot of talks about decentralized exchanges and cheaper alternatives, but I haven't really found something that works for me, especially a platform that has the trading volume that I need to successfully day and swing trade. Right now, it seems like the best way to decrease your fees is simply by increasing your trading volume and changing the fee tier structure that you are currently in. I'll also be letting you guys know if I find a different exchange that has much lower fees, or when I hear back from Coinbase about if there's any other alternative routes to lowering your fee structure, I will be letting you guys know regardless about what they say. What's up, traders and future traders? Welcome to my channel. I'm Alex Winkler, full-time trader for over 6 years. And as of March 2019, mentor to over 100 students on launch day alone in my new Profitable Crypto Trader course. If you think trading and investing is the best thing ever, go and subscribe now. And if you're one of those hardcore people that don't like to miss a thing, click on that bell icon too. If you are interested in building a solid trading and investing foundation so you are ready to spot and capitalize on the next best trade, I went ham on making a super simple all video course that I think you will love. Head over to profitablecryptotrader.com when you're ready. Please don't hesitate to leave a comment if you have any questions, and if you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a thumbs up. You will make my day. Thanks again, guys, for watching. Until next time, ciao ciao.